Does your video clip have noisy background sound, ruining your clean edit? Do not worry. In this CapCut tutorial for beginners, you will learn how to mute audio in CapCut Mobile with just one simple tap. First, open your video project, look at the far left side of your main timeline, and simply tap on Mute Clip Audio to silence your entire video track instantly. If you only want to mute one single clip, tap on that clip, look at the bottom toolbar. Tap on Volume, and drag the slider all the way to 0. Here is a secret pro tip. For clean CapCut video editing, tap on your clip, scroll the toolbar, and select Extract Audio. Now, delete the separated audio track. This completely erases unwanted background noise forever, and press play to review your silent video. To continue learning from our full course, check the playlist link in the description below.